All right, check it out, 2022 Highlander Platinum. Paint looks absolutely awesome, like glass. Wheels look nice and clean, no dents or dings anywhere I can see on the body. Looks to be in extremely clean condition. I apologize for the noise there, but you're just getting a sneak peek of this vehicle before it goes online. Let's close that up and take a look inside. Just again, absolutely awesome paint. Interior, super clean. There's a little bit of a pan around and then hop inside. So really, I can't see any wear or tear. No funky smells or anything like that. We hop inside. The vehicle is currently running. And take a look right there. Only 32,000 kilometers. So super low mileage. Nice big screen. You can see there. Bird's eye view camera. Digital display rear view mirror. And up top here, that absolutely massive panoramic moonroof. There we go. And it lets in a ton of light here. So any questions, feel free to contact me, Johnathan at mapletoyota.com, and we'll figure something out. Thank you. Bye.